What's up, guys? Welcome to Jake's Home Lab. Today we're going to be doing a quick overview slash unboxing of the Insta360 Link 2C, the AI powered 4K webcam. And the first thing you get on the back of the box is the product support QR code. Okay, and while I unbox it, I'm going to go over the features. It has 4K resolution. I already said that, but it has 4K resolution, 30 FPS. At 1080p, you can record 60 FPS. It has a half-size sensor, which is supposed to be bigger than the rest. AI noise cancellation, true focus, auto framing, whiteboard recognition, smart control, and natural bokeh. Now let's get to see what's in the box. I'm actually really excited for this. I have a big project coming up and I hope y'all love it. Okay, let's see what fell out the box. The magnet stand that goes on your monitor. So, funny story actually. I don't know why, for some reason, I thought, the microphone area, I thought that was the magnet. So after fiddling around with it, I finally figured it out. I felt so dumb after. Okay, now what's next? Looks like a bunch of stickers. The stickers are really cool, by the way. I'm going to use them somewhere. A quick start guide. And of course, your warranty card. A USB to Type-C adapter, which I thought was really cool. Not too many companies send out adapters for Type-C to USB. Then we get the Type-C cable for the connection. There's nothing else in here. Now the webcam. Superior audio awaits. I was actually expecting it to be a lot bigger than what it is. And after about a week, maybe two, after I test out all the fancy AI features, I'm going to get back with y'all with the full in-depth review. There are a few key features that I'm excited to try. I want to try the smart control, the auto framing, the bokeh. I've heard a lot of good things about the bokeh, and from what I've seen on YouTube, the blur and bokeh are like really good, and the resolution, of course. And that's about it. Talk to y'all later. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.